This is a new high-speed hairdryer and I'm doing an unboxing and a review on it. The box is pretty nice. It's very secure in here. Kind of reminds me of my iPhone box, or my iPods. AirPods, what are they called? You can activate a lifetime warranty. You just scan this QR code. Here's the blow dryer. It's packaged nice. It fits nicely in there. Comes out pretty easily. It's got a good thick cord. Oh, that's nice. It's got an actual reusable little holder for your cord, so you can wrap it up after you're done. That's actually really cool. It's got a plug with a test button and a reset, I believe. GFI. It's good weight, not too heavy, not too light. It feels real durable. It's looks like the on and off buttons and another button. Oh, and then there's something, yep. And then you peel this paper up. Oh, even nicer. It's got nice dark gray. It comes in other colors as well. Looks like there might be a QR code for some more instructions if you lose the manual. Then it comes with an attachment. So this one is for like straightening your hair. Oh, and it just magnets right on. It's really easy to get on and super easy to get off. So it comes with that attachment. And then it comes with this attachment. This is a diffuser. This is used for people that have curly hair. It helps dry your curls so they're nice and bouncy and full. I like to use this since I have curly hair. Comes with an owner's manual. Let's see. Oh, now we can, all right, so now I can figure out what these buttons mean. This one you press and it controls the temperature. This is going to be your on and off, level 1, level 2. All right, looks like things heat up to different colors when you turn it on. Let's plug it in. What does it do? Let's see. Ooh. All right. Ooh. Wow, that's got some good power. Oh. Red is hot air. Green is it's cold. Oh yeah. And should be yellow is warm. And that's on the level 1. And this is level 2, so this is even higher. Wow, the warm air is actually pretty good for blow drying. And the hot is hot. It's definitely, yeah, that's really good. And green is cold. Wow, that actually feels like it's gonna have some good, let's try this. Oh, that comes out at a nice steady stream. Definitely could blow dry pretty well. Try the diffuser. No, it doesn't get too hot either. It seems like some of them get really hot. All right, we'll try this one. This is a nice diffuser. Real even heat. That's gonna give your curls a lot of great drying power. I'd say this is a really nice hairdryer. I'm excited to actually use it on my hair. Okay, let's see if when we're all done with it and we're wrapping up our cord, You can use this that comes right with it. Put it through the little hole. And then you pull it through and your wire for it is all nicely secured. This is awesome when you like are putting it away because then it's not going to be flopping around everywhere. It's all nice and neat. And actually you can put it all right back in the box if you want. So then your blow dryer is all set with all of your attachments, your manual. It's a nice storage box. Great way to keep it. It feels like great quality, definitely worth the price. It actually feels like a even more higher end product for what you're paying for it. Definitely would recommend it. It doesn't feel cheap, doesn't feel like it's gonna fall apart on me like after a couple of uses. Seems like it's gonna last for a long time, definitely high quality. If you want this high-speed hairdryer, there'll be a link of this in the description of the video. Hope you enjoy your hairdryer.